Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You must start with essentials. Phonepe updated, KYC done, and your bank linked so dispersal is seamless. Once ready, open Phonepe and navigate to Loans, tap Personal Loan or Quick Loan to begin. Enter basic details: name, DOB, PAN. Make sure these match your Aadhaar and bank records to avoid mismatches. This first step checks eligibility instantly, so you'll know if you can proceed. If the app shows pre-approved offers, you're cleared for the next stage. Once you pick an offer, you'll fill detailed fields: monthly income, employer, tenure choice, and loan amount. Make sure you upload clear documents: salary slip, bank statements, or Form 16, as required. Blurry files delay approval. Next, authorize e-sign using your Aadhaar OTP and complete account verification via micro deposit or bank OTP so the lender can confirm your account for dispersal. These middle steps determine final eligibility. After approval, carefully read the loan agreement, verify interest rate, EMI amount, tenure, and prepayment charges, then accept to trigger dispersal. Funds typically hit your linked account within 24 to 48 hours. Check the UTR reference and your balance. Once dispersed, track upcoming EMIs in Phonepe and enable auto-debit to avoid missed payments. If your application is declined, first recheck KYC, uploaded docs, and credit score. Make sure Aadhaar/PAN names match and retry, or contact Phonepe support for targeted troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.